Flipping the Classroom by Nicole Borger. Flipping the classroom is a strategy used by educators more and more widely today, which provides students with pre-class work such as reading or viewing video lectures, and then class time is filled with active learning exercises such as case studies, quizzes, role-playing, group activities, games such as Jeopardy or debate teams. All these actives allow for focused, student-centered learning, while the teacher takes more of a supportive role, facilitating learning and promoting active engagement. The learning theory that best correlates with flipping the classroom is the constructivist learning theory. The constructivist learning theory is based on the fact that learning is an active process of constructing knowledge by building on to pre-existing knowledge and experiences which the learners already possess. Learners are an active participant in their education by developing their own ideas, making conclusions, and then testing those conclusions. This correlates with flipping the classroom in the fact that it's student-centered or learner-centered. They're taking an active role in their education by formulating their own ideas and discussing those ideas with others, and then building upon experiences and what they're learning. The following resources were used to present data for this video.